Hi everyone, how are you all? This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Cardano once again. I'm doing Cardano first today because it's broke its all-time high, so it deserves a first place in the CoinsKid video listing today. Wow, well done to everybody that's held Cardano and stay tuned to the channel, obviously, and just held basically. It's been so frustrating. You know what, you're going through a very similar thing. Anyone that's into VeChain, you're going through a very similar thing where you're just going sideways. You know, it is frustrating, but with Cardano, like I said to you, we've got a price prediction, obviously. We've not got a crystal ball, and it's not always going to be right. You can roll as you're away into a bear market and stuff like that. That unforeseeable circumstances that can happen. But in all of this, you know, we was going sideways. But the consolidation event was always creeping up. It was always getting higher, and he was always coming up into this ascending triangle. So it was good for continuation. You know, we had this little breakdown here, but found huge levels of support, bullish cross, continuation. Fantastic. So everyone that's held Cardano, it's looking really good, looking really strong. Okay, really strong. So what I'm going to do, obviously, I'm going to remind you of where potentially we're going to. But firstly, this is our current price prediction based off this ascending triangle that we're coming into, and then, you know, that's the actual breakout target there. Once you break out this level of resistance and march onwards and upwards, and it's looking good. You've got a key level of support right now, and I'll drop that in just so we know that that's the previous all-time high for Cardano. So you know, if you do start to roll, you do obviously need to see it adhere to the previous all-time high, which is $1.55. Okay, and so because obviously I'm going to make you aware, you can get something called a fake out. If it goes up and rolls back and invalidates that and it comes back down, it's like, what? All that hard work's done. But I don't anticipate that for Cardano. There's a lot of strength here right now, and it's marching onwards and upwards. It's painting some beautiful patterns as well, and candles as well, especially on the weekly with a bullish engulfing candle there on the weekly time frame. So that's good. Bitcoin's painting a very similar candle, by the way. So that you do need to pay attention to that. If Bitcoin can get through like 59, 60k, then you are going to see continuation for Bitcoin as well, and breaking them highs, and hopefully breaking its all-time high and getting up to that 200k that we anticipate for Bitcoin right there. So right now, Cardano, obviously, as you're aware, this is our Elliott wave theory. So I'll just remind you, for those that are new to the channel and never seen this before, this is our anticipation, you know, and it is an anticipation, and it's not, we've not got a crystal ball. Okay, we've not got a crystal ball on this channel, but this is effectively our price prediction for Cardano on this bull run. So, you know, not only we've got the Fibonacci extension pointing up towards that level as well, where Bitcoin's already got to the 1618, where it's decided to roll and consolidate, back testing support, and it's holding it really well for continuation. But Cardano is marching onwards and upwards as well to that particular price prediction up there. So with Cardano, we've got this Elliott wave theory going on here. So we bottomed out in the bear market, as you can see. We went up in wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, monstrous wave. Look at the size of that. Huge. And then pullback 4, this is it. Hopefully this is it. Boom, job done. We've had a wave 4 consolidation event, back test support. Look where the yellow line is now, the 20. Beautiful. Look at that gap. It's seized up. You 55 is below, above that 0786 as well, which is fantastic. That's like a big confirmation statement that you're above that as well. And there are all these little things, okay, that you can see. So that's looking relatively healthier now, isn't it? That EMA, it's nice. It's come together, so basically for continuation. So right now you can see if Cardano now continues in this wave 5, which we do anticipate for Cardano, then you could be looking at a $7.77 price prediction there for Cardano. Now, if it gets overextended, which a lot of cryptos have, Bitcoin included, you know, you could be looking at a larger wave 5. Now, the larger wave 5 would lead to the 1618 extension, which is $18 per Cardano. Now, the way we've measured wave 5 is effectively the same wavelength as wave 1, and that's what they say. You know, the most common size of wave 5 is wave 1, but we are in a bull market. We will enter that mania stage of the bull market as well, where we do see those huge euphoric mania sort of run ups, okay, and then blow off tops. So if we do get that blow off top, then you could see how Cardano could get overextended and shoot towards that 1618 and $18. So yeah, going to jump into Cardano on a 4-hourly time frame right now and see what we can see. Okay, yeah, so basically you can see we're broken out this ascending triangle, this level of resistance right there. So that can go, and it's great because our target is the $2, as you're aware. But right now we've got this level of support that we do need to adhere to. This key level of support, you do need to start to see Cardano get above that to get back, because that's the previous all-time high. Okay, it's good basically. This is a weekly time frame, and as you you can see, this is his bullish engulfing candle where the candle closes higher than the last, and the whole body is bigger than the previous week before. So it's really bullish. It's a bullish continuation statement. Okay, Bitcoin's got that particular candle on the go for itself right now, so do pay attention to that, because if it can continue, you will see it break the highs, just like Cardano has here, right? So right now we're going to jump in on the 4-hourly time frame. So on the 4-hourly time frame right here, you can see this is a corrective wave down and this is an impulsive wave up. So what we're going to do is just lay down the fib off this bottom here. We're going to lay down the fib and see exactly where, you know, Cardano could be heading to in this next impulsive wave, and that gives confluence to the fact that's it, it's off that body just like that. So this gives confidence to the fact that it ties up and matches up with a $2 price prediction, because Cardano is looking to march on towards $2.04 based off this corrective wave down and this new impulsive wave which it finds itself marching through. Now you do need to hold this 155 obviously as support. If you do start to see Cardano get above and close above it, that's great for continuation in itself, but it's looking great, it's looking golden. We've broken out, we're making new highs. Obviously you're going to see a bit of a sell-off and people taking profits because that's normal along the way, but we do anticipate that, you know, over the next week or so you could potentially be looking at a $2.04 Cardano token. Now where's the next level of resistance as it does march forward? Obviously target this particular level there at $1.75 because that's the 1272 extension. So you may sort of see Cardano come up at its head, consolidate, forming something like a bullish pennant right there before continuation up to this all-time high for Cardano. So it's all good, basically it's all good, it's golden. Now if you do start to see Cardano retrace, okay, basically go up and retrace and start to roll back, there will be you could lay down the Fibonacci extension to see where you could retrace to, but I can't do that at the moment because obviously we've not got a sort of top at the moment because it's in price discovery when it's doing things like this and making new highs. So onwards and upwards for Cardano. Congratulations to everybody that's been involved and waited this long time for this breakout of this high. It's been 10 weeks, it's frustrating. We'll measure that just for clarification from that moment it went up there and then this particular breakout. Wow, yeah, wow, 67 days. Wow, that's a long time, almost 10 weeks right there. So that's mental. That's mental. So that's consolidation for your 101. That's what can happen, okay? The markets get flat and it shakes out the weak hands as well, and that's what it's all about. So far, so good. Cardano's marching onwards and upwards. And hopefully, you know, next time, tomorrow, I can come and you're looking at like a $1.72 token there for Cardano. It's marched on and making progress. But yeah, congratulations to each and every one of you that has held through the bad times and is holding through the good times, because obviously we've got that price appreciation and that price prediction up there for Cardano of $7 plus. So that's Cardano. Congratulations, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow with another update. Take care. Bye-bye.